It is like Christmas in June. New delivery from Black Market Race. We got their rear differential brace. Now this is gonna work for any of the Gen 2 B58 cars, whether you are X-Drive or rear wheel drive, it does not matter. It also works for Supras. This kit is made to be universal and is the best on the market. Let's dive right into it. And this is everything that you're gonna get in your rear differential brace kit. You have the actual billet brace here, the steel mounting bracket, the backing plate that goes inside your subframe. You got the hardware, the spacers, and the 10mm drill bit. This is included in the kit, so you do not need to purchase one. And then some additional tools that you will need. You'll need a torque wrench to verify that everything's torqued to spec. You'll need an E12 bit. You'll need a T55 bit and an 8mm Allen. You'll need the drill for the bit, as well as various extensions, and then a paint marker or permanent marker to mount once it's mocked up to drill that hole. Alrighty, so with the car jacked up in the air, go ahead and take your E12 and break this loose. After you've put that off to the side, go ahead and remove these four. This one, this one, this one, this one. And these will take a little bit of force to break loose, but then you'll just remove all of them, and then you'll end up with something like this. So 2 of the holes on the bracket are threaded. It is the middle 2. You won't be worried about those right now. Just do all of the corner ones. You'll be putting bolt, spacer, and then putting it back into its respective places. And do take note that the Black Market Race logo should be pointed towards the back of the car. Now, once all those are hand tight, go ahead and set your torque wrench to 40 foot-pounds. All right, now at this point, after you've already torqued all these down, you'll have 2 types of hardware, shorter bolts and longer bolts. For this step, you'll be using the shorter bolts to mock this up. Take note that one side of this has 3 holes. That'll be going up for these 3, and then this is the one that we're drilling over here. And these 2 will line up with these 2 holes right here. You'll be using the shorter bolts to put those in. And just go ahead and hand tighten these. And then go ahead and remove this from the inside. You no longer need that. Now at this point, you'll have access to this hole, but there is no hole here. That's where this little paint marker comes in. We're gonna mark that hole, take this brace back off, and then drill. And as you can see right here, that is the hole I just marked. We're gonna now take our provided drill bit and drill that out. Now go ahead and reinstall your bracket. Make sure that you can fit one of these bolts through both holes. So that one's good. And that one's good. And then last but not least, we'll slide this backing plate through here and thread these through. And then it wasn't in the instructions at all, but I've been going back and adding a little bit of blue Loctite on these top bolts just for peace of mind. And then we'll be torquing all of the non-diff bolts to 30 foot-pounds. So the initial 4, these 4 were 40 foot-pounds. We're gonna be doing these to 30 foot-pounds. And then these top 2, same thing, 30. At this point, you are all set. The diff brace is installed. And what separates this diff brace from the other guys is that there's no riv nuts. You're not gonna have any weak points on this one. It's not a 90-degree bend. That's not reinforced at all. If you've looked at some of the other designs, you can see how laughable some of those are. From the real world testing that we've done, we can confidently say that this is the best brace on the market. This will solidify your drivetrain slop and make the car feel way more planted. This is the one and only rear diff brace you will need. Whether you are 500 horsepower or 1500 horsepower, this is the solution. If you're interested in picking up one of these for yourself, it's the first link in the description. I truly stand behind these guys and their products. Hit up Black Market Race, hit up myself if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.